Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I myself have felt like I've been inside for about 5 years. There's a lot of things I miss, including my loved ones, as well as experiences and just, I don't know, getting to sit down in a restaurant with people. It's not even like the experience of going to a restaurant with people, although that would be nice. It's going to a restaurant that has people in it. You know, just feel like life is still happening around you. Of course, there are parts of the country and parts of the world where things are starting to reopen back up, and you know, we'll see how it goes. In any case, I hope everyone continues to practice good habits when it comes to social distancing and continue their good hygiene practices. That said, I think a lot of us these days are constantly on the hunt for more things to do. I don't know, like a bit of fun in our day would be nice. This video was inspired by a video that the YouTuber Tati put out a couple weeks back. She was trying these new magnetic lashes that were available at the drugstore. As someone who has in the past done quite a bit with my lashes, whether it's magnetic lashes or getting lash extensions, I knew that I had to try it, especially at the very affordable price point. Here's the product. It's by the brand Kiss, which is a standalone brand, but I think CVS is one of the main carriers of their products. It is, as it says, a magnetic eyeliner system, which basically means that the eyeliner is the thing that's holding the magnets of the lash on. It's not the first lash product that has launched with this technology, but it's definitely way more affordable than the other ones that have come out. This set that includes both the eyeliner and a pair of the lashes was, I believe, $16 or $17, something in that range. If you order it from CVS, then you spend a certain amount and get free shipping. And because I had to get over the shipping minimum, I actually ordered another set with both the eyeliner and some lashes. And because I don't need multiple pairs of lashes during quarantine, I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a giveaway today. I believe this is the first one I've ever done, so it's kind of exciting. I'll have more details about how to enter later on in the video. We're gonna try this out today. I actually see that on the box it claims to be wind resistant, so I might go take a walk afterwards, and yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. Let's get this opened up so I can show you what everything looks like. Here is the eyeliner. It's a very interesting looking brush, very thin. One of the things to note about using this eyeliner is that they recommend that you put your own eyeliner on beforehand. So if you're gonna do your fancy wing, to do that first. Here are the lashes it comes with. This is the Lure set. The other one that I have is called the Tantalize. You can kind of see the Tantalize is a little bit more full, and you'll see on each of these lashes there's 5 magnets that go around the rim. You'll also notice that the magnets go out to the very edges of these strips, so if you're gonna need to do any sort of trimming to adjust for the length of your eye, you might end up cutting off a magnet, so just be aware of that. All right, starting with the eyeliner here, and just like with regular falsies, I did curl my eyelashes because I think it helps with so it doesn't look like there's 2 separate rows of lashes. Okay, try to get it right to the edge of my eye. On the inner corner as well. Okay, it's a pretty black eyeliner, pretty opaque. Other side. May have gotten some eyeliner on my eyelid. Oops. Okay, so we'll let that dry. This eye looks pretty dry to me, so I'm just going to get started with this one. Let's see. Whoa, okay. It worked. Look at that. It's not going anywhere. I do need to adjust it a little bit because I started a little too close to the corner, but yeah, like, wow, okay. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Wait, okay. Let's do the other eye. I mean, I've seen the video and it worked for Tati, so I don't know why I'm surprised it would work for me, but that's pretty dang cool, you guys. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. I'm like sitting in a chair, so I can't really like do angles with this camera, but whoa. I do see a little bit of kind of like it not sticking very well on the very outside, and I think that's just because I probably didn't go out far enough with my eyeliner. Probably fix that because I wouldn't want these to fall off while I'm outside. Feels decently dry. Give this another go. Okay, yeah, that worked. One thing I will say that is maybe not optimal right now is that the lash band, you can still see it. When you're up close, you can still see it poking through like the plastic lash band. If you really want it camouflage, you're probably gonna have to go over it with some black eyeliner of some sort. Maybe not like this eyeliner, but some sort of black eyeliner. No one's gonna be able to see it from 6 feet away for sure. So I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. Let's go see how these hold up outdoors. As you can see, it is quite sunny today, so I've had to cheat a little bit by wearing sunglasses. Sun safety first. I did have them off while in the shade, and it's been a little bit windy today, so it's actually a good time to test. And even after some pummeling with the wind, it was still pretty obviously stuck well onto my eyes all the way to the edges. Well, great. These get a big thumbs up from me. I'm gonna have to play around with this product a little bit and see maybe how much it lasts after a couple uses, but so far I really like it. It's incredibly easy to use, and it's a lot more comfortable than having the kind of magnetic lashes that are sort of sandwiched around your eyes. You're definitely able to get the lash a lot closer to the lash line, so it looks a lot more natural. And again, like, you can't beat this price point. One important thing to note is that the jar symbol on these does say 3 months, so they're not gonna last you a super long time, but I'm not sure that that's any less than regular strip lashes, so you're probably getting the same bang for your buck. So my verdict is, go try these out. It's fun to do, it seems to work, and it won't break the bank. So double or maybe triple thumbs up in my book. So for the giveaway, like I mentioned before, I have an extra set of these, and I would love to send it to a subscriber who is also looking for something fun to do during this time. In order to enter, please go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to this channel as well as my Instagram account. Leave a comment down below telling me something fun that you've done or learned during this social isolation period, and also be sure to write what your Instagram handle is so I can track that you're following on both. This will only be available to subscribers in the US. Sorry about that. Probably run this for about a week. After I receive all the entries, I'll put all the names in a randomizer, and yeah, we'll get the winner announced and send it straight out to them. Just so I'm being perfectly straightforward, this box is got a little bit tattered in shipping. I did not do this. It is not open. And so yeah, it's gonna be a little bit crushed, but as far as I can tell, the lashes are still good. Anyway, just a small token of my appreciation to say thanks for watching, and let's enjoy this time together. That is all the fun I had prepared for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to let me know what you thought about this video. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy as we keep trudging along in this very unprecedented period. But until then, I will see you guys next time.